we thought, let's set up a pizza bar in Myoko, Japan. We already had other established businesses there, but there was a real lacking of restaurants and no one was really doing pizza at the time. So we thought, bugger it, let's get stuck into it. So we purchased the building, initially purchased it for 3 million yen. So give or take, it was around 30,000 Australian dollars. But it needed a ton of work. It was full of rubbish. It's been on the market for a number of years. Multiple people have been through it and just kept passing on it. We thought, bugger it, let's give it a go. So that was the goal. Set it up for pizza restaurant. First season we ran it was 23-24. We've just finished our second season in March this year. You know, an average night we're averaging around 60, 70 pizzas a night. We did over 100 grand in sales this season just gone. So with all that said, let's jump through and we'll have a quick look of the before and after of 2 Pints. We've got a heap of gear here that we've got to go through and organise. We've struck a little problem here in the floor, which I wasn't aware of. We've obviously had some termites or something at some point here. As you can see, the joists are not so good. So that's the little project I'm working on. Rip all this out. This is going to be the pizza corner in this little area. Ripped a little cabinet out there. I've got the pride of the fleet, the K-truck there. Almost got a good load on there, ready to go to the tip. Swimming up these lights. What's here? Oh yeah. See what we're working with. Oh nice. That's good. And just like that, you've got no floor. How's the finish on that? Bit of last minute plumbing going on for the pizza restaurant. Ellie's almost finished his corner off here, looking super sharp. Just got to whack a coat of varnish on the top of this to protect it. We got these fancy lights. We're going to throw a few of these in the window. They're all the rave these days. Throw out no light, but they look nice. Got a little bit of an issue down the far end here. Bit of a teething problem, if you will. When it rains, you get a little bit of residue, bit of moisture coming in there. Nothing we can't figure out. Oh, hang on a minute. What happens here? Oh, pan around and look what we've got there. How's that? Front of the bar, pizza area is looking sharp. So this little area here, not only do we have a nice wee door, but we have this here. Don't need that. Level, definitely don't need that. This here all pops out, so this here slides up, boom, get that out of the way. You've got a nice little join there. So this whole piece here actually slides right out, so then we can push our little fridges and whatnot in there, all tuck it in nice and safe. And there you have it. Then we've got the first of the barn slider doors. Repurposed old doors that have been kicking around for 40 years, turn them into these brand spanking barn slider doors. How's that? You can see these big trees here. That's the reference to the 2 Pines, why we called our restaurant 2 Pines. They're actually cedars, but don't tell anyone. We're just walking over to the pizza restaurant now. I'll give you guys a quick tour through pizza. It's not going to be busy with guests right now, but in winter it's flat out. Got a lot of guests through there. So I'll just give you a quick tour of the restaurant. So you come on through here. Just added all this new seating here. This wasn't here previous season, so this will be our first season having some new seating here. Was previously snowboard rental right there, but it got pretty hectic in here during the evening service time with snowboard rental and pizza. So this year it'll just be purely pizza on this level, and then we'll have rental and downstairs, which I'll take you down there later and show you the snowboard rental down there. So I got a nice little couch area there. Built this table from the local timber yard. It's knocked up a nice little table, and then just ordered some legs off Amazon. All up, I think the slabs, I got 5 slabs for like 5,000 yen, so around $50. And then stripped them back and tied them up and stitched them together. I think the legs are around $80, so all up, you know, you got a pretty decent looking table for around $100 odd. And then this is our pizza corner, so it's an open kitchen, as you can see. Got the main pizza oven there. It takes about an hour to heat up. Big blender there. Whips up about 60 doughs, which is not too bad. We're doing around 60 to 70 pizzas a night this last season. Here's a picture of what it used to look like back in the 80s. It was a souvenir shop. One of our friends found it in a magazine, so they brought it in for us. There's that other entranceway off this far side, and behind that wallpaper there, that's that entranceway there. We've shifted this bar a little bit this year as well, so separated the two, so this is purely just going to be a bar this side. So we've got some nice big bar fridges here, which will be good. We had them a bit more in the same part last season, and then this is the commercial kitchen here. So this is where we make the pizzas. Pretty standard pizza setup really, and this is your pizza oven in here. Can fit 3 pizzas in there, about 30 odd centimetres, about the size of this pizza board there, about that size. And then a couple of takeaway bags up there. Disregard the mess, it's not super tidy here at the moment, but you get the general idea. Then we have a lot of wines and things stacked up there during the season. Got that there. Little storage space here. And then if we go through here, this leads us up into Cedar House, which is upstairs there. And then this is just a little toilet for the guests. And this is also the access through here for Cedar House, which I'll take you through in another video if you want to check out the upstairs. So this is the main entranceway for Cedar House. So if you're staying upstairs, you stay there. Then you're going to have rentals down there. And then if you come through here, leads you back through to the main pizza restaurant. So as you can see, the place has come a long way. It's come up pretty good. Drop in the comments what you guys think.
It's like a margarita.
How was it?